Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video, as you guys probably see from the title, I'm gonna share you how I organize my Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires with this organizer bag. I hope this is gonna help for some of you guys who are looking for some Pochette accessoire and you are deciding if you wanna get it or not. I'm so excited to share what's in my bag again. I've done this video once or twice already, but it's been a year and I kind of wanna update what's in my bag, and probably you guys wanna see what fit inside, and yeah, I hope that's gonna help. I also have the unboxing video about this Pochette accessoires, so if you're interested, I will put the link in down below so you guys can check them out. As I said, I'm gonna show you guys how I organize this Pochette accessoire and how I usually wear it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I will just start off with a quick review. This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire in monogam canvas. I love this bag. This bag just gives me very vintage vibes, and I just love the designs, how classic it is and everything. The reason I love this canvas is just because it's very classic, and it's just the symbolic of Louis Vuitton. As you guys can see, the zipper, the lobster craft made with the gold hardware, which is so beautiful. It's labeled here, it says it's made in France, which I am so happy that it's made in original place. And I believe this bag is made in 2020, which I'm so happy to get a hand on this new bag. The interior made with brown fabric lining, which I love, and there is only one pocket here. Also, this Louis Vuitton come with this beautiful strap, which I love. You can take it off, make it as an SLG bag, or you can just do it as a shoulder bag, which I am obsessed with. So now I would love to introduce you to this organizer bag. I've got this from Amazon in under brand of Candy Honey. This absolutely helped my life easier, and the main reason I love to have this insert is just to protect my designer bags. I know how much value it is, and I don't want to take a list and make it dirty. I want to keep it as brand new as I can. I don't want to have any dirt inside the interior. Yeah, this helps a lot, and I will show you guys how this helps. There are three different color, but I got this in dark brown. I think it's matching with this original interiors. There are one big component here and two of the slots. What I really like about this is also the zipper that made with the gold hardware, which is matching with this again. I kind of like that. If you're interested in this insert, I will put the link in down below so you guys can check them out. It's very affordable. It's just only $24, which I think that is very worth it. It fits perfectly. It's just very nice matching interior. Honestly, it gives you more room to put all of the stuff, so I'm pretty happy about this. Now I'm just gonna show you guys what is fit inside with or without this organizer bag. So let's just do without this organizer bag. Then we are gonna put this back. First thing first, a must-have item. I have this iPhone 11 Max Pro. Just gonna put it here. Next, I have this Dior wallet. I've got this hand sanitizer, and I've got this from Bath & Body, and this absolutely smells so good. Yeah, just gonna put it there. I've got this AirPod. Of course, like I use this all the time, go to the gyms and everything. Just very essential. So okay, I have a couple of the beauty products that I carry with. First, lipstick that I have. This is from YSL. I love the matte satin. It's just super nice touch. And yeah, got this one. I've got this balm. This one is from Dior, and I just love the textures. Keeps moisturize your mouth. I also have this Taro Side Georgia perfume. It's in Ferrento Vanilla, and it smells so good. I honestly love the Dossier product. It's just super nice and smells so good. So and yeah, this is all what I have, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Oops, I forgot my key. The last thing I should not forget is this car key. I gotta put it inside as well. So here basically what is fit inside. So let's see how this goes with all this stuff. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how this really looks. So I'm just gonna change a little bit of angles. Now we are set. I'm gonna put this organizer bag from Candy Honey inside this Pochette accessoire. So here is how it looks. There is a zipper on the sides. There are some pockets, which I love, look more organized. Let's put all the stuff together. I'm gonna put my phone inside this slot that is perfectly fit. If this 11 Max Pro with case can fit, I believe all of the phone can fit in this pocket. I'm gonna go with my DR wallet. I love these two front pocket wallet. It's just super nice and very handy. So okay, cool. Next, I'm gonna put the lipsticks and I see some like little space here. Dossier perfume. There is a little space here, so I'm gonna put this AirPod inside and the hand sanitizer. And the last thing I'm gonna put is this car key. Just gonna put it on the top and let's try to close this. Okay. There is a little bit of curve as you can see, but I believe if you have like just a little card holder, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like even more rooms in it. So this is basically what fit inside, what's in my bag. I just love the capacity of this bag. It's just super nice. Now let's see this. They also give me the chain strap extender for Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires. And we will see how this look. I never used this before, but it looks pretty cute. Okay, so here is the chain strap extender that they gave it to me. It's in heart shape, which I love. Oh, fancy. Kind of cute actually. If you like the strap that is a little bit longer, this probably can help, and also it's pretty cute too. So I will also put the link in down below as well, just in case you're interested. To me, I love this bag. I would recommend you, if you're interested in this bag, go for it. I think it's very worth it. Like I said, very handy, functional, and so pretty. And so many ways you can style with this bag. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy, get some idea how this bag works, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!